Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made these beautiful bottles out of empty sauce and jam bottles. Hi! So here's the one bottle that I already painted with white chalk paint, and this is the image that I have cut it from an old calendar, and I'm going to paste it on this bottle with the help of Mod Podge. I am definitely not going to make all of these bottles in this video, but I'll show you two of them that how I made those. So here we go. So after pasting the image on the bottle, you have to be very careful and put another layer of Mod Podge on top of it to seal it, so it won't be like bubbly and stuff like before. When you paste it, you see a tiny bit of bubbles in them, so don't worry about it. When you put another layer of Mod Podge, they will be flattened, but you have to let it dry for about 10 to 12 hours. I left it for like overnight, and then the next day it was a perfect result how I wanted it. I always save these bottles from pasta sauce or jam or any kind of item because I love to do decoupage, and they're actually useful and of course beautiful too. And here's the second bottle that I did the same thing, painted with white chalk paint, like 2 or 3 layers, and then I glued the burlap ribbon and then wooden letters, colored those black and made the word home, and then I wrapped around the twine on the top to give it a nice and finishing look. Then I was thinking about putting some stickers on, but at the end I didn't like any of them, so I just left it like this. And here are all of the bottles I have made so far. I hope you like them. Please let me know, how did you like today's video? How did you like my DIY? Which bottle is your favorite? I am going to wait for your comments, and don't forget to share the video. And if you still haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe now, and don't forget to hit the bell button. Thanks for watching. Bye.